Have you ever considered how essential home mobility solutions, like stair lifts, get their power, and what kind of electrical setup they might requiring? It is a very practical question that many people ask when planning for home accessibility. No, stair lifts typically do not requiring a dedicated electrical outlet in the way many large appliances do. Most modern stair lifts operate on powerful rechargeable batteries that are continuously charged by a standard wall outlet. The core mechanism behind this design is the battery-powered drive system, which provides immense peace of mind. When the stair lift is not in use, it automatically parks at a charging point, usually located at the top or bottom of the stairs, or sometimes at both ends. This charging point plugs into a regular household 120-volt outlet, similar to how you would power a lamp or a television. This battery system is crucial for safety and reliability because it allows the stair lift to continue operating smoothly even during a power outage, ensuring uninterrupted access between floors. The charging system simply trickles a small amount of power to keep the batteries topped up and ready for use, much like a cordless phone or a laptop. What this means for you is straightforward installation with minimal disruption to your home's electrical system. You will typically just need a conveniently located standard electrical outlet near the top or bottom of your staircase, where the lift can remain plugged in. During installation, the technician will identify the best spot and safely connect the charging unit. It is important to ensure the outlet is functional and easily accessible, but no special wiring or dedicated circuit is usually necessary. This clever battery and trickle charge setup offers a significant advantage: continuous operation. Unlike devices that stop working when the power goes out, your stair lift can make multiple trips even during an outage, providing reliable mobility when you need it most. This design also contributes to energy efficiency, drawing only minimal power to keep the batteries charged rather than running directly off the main electrical supply for every journey. Ultimately, the thoughtful engineering of modern stair lifts prioritizes both safety and convenience through their battery-powered systems. This approach simplifies installation, enhances reliability during power interruptions, and ensures that making your home more accessible is a smooth and stress-free process, empowering independent living with confidence.
If this helps you live smarter and safer, like, subscribe, and stay inspired.